Let me suppose you weren't convinced by the last video that Jalen Harris has the highest IQ. So let me empirically prove, with evidence and facts and statistics, that Jalen Harris has the highest IQ. Now, I'm trying to remember the number of shows that he's completed on his Mal page. It'll come to me in a minute. I think it was something like 930, something like that. Like, if you don't have a high IQ, how can you possibly watch that many shows? Like, there becomes a statistical advantage in a man's life. You know, it's like they say, oh, there comes a time in a man's life where he has to swashbuckle with a tire iron in front of people and stuff, and it's like that movie Captain Hook with Robin Williams where he's going around and he's hitting people on the head, and he goes, you know, like, I'm Peter Pan and all this other stuff. Like, I think that's basically just Jalen Harris. Like, if you look at his Mal page and you analyze the data and you use like that mal.graph website where it graphs out your taste, and it's like, you look at the statistics, you look at the facts, it's not that hard to figure out. The IQ is there. Like, okay, let me give you an empirical example of what I'm talking about, okay? I'll give you an example. So, when we go, let me find Jalen's Mal page. Jalen Harris profile and answer list, okay? So, let us assume that this number right here, 966, let's multiply. Let us go, okay, where is it? Calculator. Okay, I'm gonna do 966 divided by 10. And that would mean his IQ is 96. Okay, so let's multiply his IQ by the number of shows that he's dropped. Boom! See? Right there. I'll show you the IQ statistic. That would mean it's 3,641.8. Boom. 0.2. Right there. There's the statistical fact. There's your evidence. Didn't believe me the first time. There you go. I did my numbers. I showed my work. I did it like when Destiny says, oh, Digibro, you didn't show your work in algebra today. You didn't show your work. Look, I did it. I did the work. I showed you the statistics. I showed you the facts. I didn't just, ooh, I got the right answer, but I didn't do the math. I didn't do the problem to get the right answer. That means the whole argument is wrong and I lost the debate. No, I did it right there. Statistical facts, right there. You just saw it. And, you know, I'm not going to sit here and I'm going to go, oh, I won the argument because my point is self-evident and true, because Death Note is made by Japanese people and that means it's only a 7 out of 10. Well, it's a good show because it's a 7 out of 10. No, that's not true. The guy's argument is not right because it was based on fallible evidence. His conclusion was wrong. Well, no, his conclusion was true, but the evidence he gave was wrong. And so in algebra, you go, oh, this is how you do it. You write down the numbers. You go 2 plus 2 equals 5. And it doesn't work. So if it doesn't line up, if the work that you do in algebra doesn't line up, then that means it doesn't matter if the answer to the problem is right or not. The question is fallible, and I just gave you evidence. I just gave you IQ statistics right there. IQ statistics that prove that Jalen Harris is the smartest person. So don't knock on my door anymore. Don't do more sirens outside of my house. I just told you. That's the truth. That's the truth. That's the IQ statistic. Okay, goodbye.